Hello and welcome to Natural Remedies, the channel that promotes natural health and all the wonderful gifts Mother Nature has bestowed upon us. Today I'm talking about ghee butter. Often referred to as liquid gold, ghee butter has been used in cooking and medicine for centuries. But what makes organic ghee butter such a good fat for your health? Today we're breaking it down into science-based facts and showing you its incredible benefits as well as some versatile uses in your everyday life. Let's discuss the benefits of organic ghee butter and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen and diet. Ghee is loaded with healthy fats, particularly butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid that supports gut health and inflammation control. Unlike some other fats, organic ghee butter helps maintain cellular health and boosts energy. Since ghee is clarified butter, it's free of lactose and casein, making it a great choice for people with dairy sensitivities or lactose intolerance. Benefit 3. High smoke point. Ghee has a high smoke point of 485 degrees Fahrenheit or 252 degrees Celsius, which means it doesn't break down and release harmful compounds when used for high heat cooking. Please do take note of this because it's absolutely perfect for frying, sautéing and roasting. Benefit 4. Packed with vitamins. Organic ghee is rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K, which are essential for eye health, immune function and bone health. Benefit 5. Supports digestive health. Thanks to its high levels of butyric acid, ghee supports a healthy gut lining, aids in digestion, and promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Benefit 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Butyric acid in ghee is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body and support better overall health. Benefit 7. Rich flavor for cooking. Ghee adds a rich, nutty flavor to everything from vegetables and meats to your morning bulletproof coffee. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it a fantastic substitute for oils or butter in both sweet and savory dishes. Benefit 8. Long shelf life. Organic ghee butter doesn't require refrigeration and has a long shelf life, making it easy to store and use whenever you need a healthy cooking fat. So, whether you're looking for a dairy-free alternative, a high-heat cooking fat, or simply a healthier way to add flavor to your meals, organic ghee butter truly is the good fat with incredible benefits. Give it a try and you might just find that this ancient superfood is the perfect addition to your modern diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button. For more eye-opening health food tips and ideas, please hit subscribe and share with your friends. For more healthy cooking tips and science-backed nutrition advice, stay tuned. Thank you for watching and remember, always read the ingredient labels.